I'll show you a few hacks to keep your drains from clogging and stopping up your whole day. In your bathroom sink and tub, clean the drain stoppers on a regular basis. Hair, soap, scum, and other nasties can collect on the stoppers and clog the drain. And instead of slapping your hair on the shower wall like so, just put it in the trash. Brush your hair prior to bathing. This helps remove loose hair and prevents it from clogging your shower drain. Consider using drain screens on all of your drains. These items prevent hair, soap scum, and other nasty from entering your drain in the first place. Once a month, use a bacterial drain cleaner to help maintain your drains. These products are not corrosive and are biodegradable.
Only flush toilet paper down the drain and don't use flushable wipes. They're not flushable.
If you have a garbage disposal, avoid putting certain food scraps down the disposal. Most common troublemakers are banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, and even tater skins. Now, when you do use your garbage disposal the right way, always run cold water. This helps flush it as it's being used. If you don't use a garbage disposal, avoid food scraps going down the drain by using a kitchen strainer. Additionally, never ever pour grease or motor oil down your drains. Instead, you can pour that grease or oil into a jar. Our favorite is a pickle jar, and then you can get rid of it at your landfill. Now, a good preventative maintenance for any grease or oils that do inevitably go down the drain, once a week, just pour hot water down your drain and it'll help to clear that out. Obviously, pour it very slowly so that you don't get burned. Bathe your cats and dogs outside. If you have to bathe your animals inside, put a washcloth over the drain or just use a hair strainer.